You asked to have instant access in the app to certificates and reports, so we delivered. Just tap the button called Certificates and Metrics in our newly redesigned Privacy for Cars business app navigation menu. Sharing certificates of deletion with your customers and colleagues is super easy. Just search for a vehicle your company processed in the Certificate of Deletion section. Once you select it, you'll be able to email the certificate, for instance, to a customer after a test drive to prove you care for them, or print it and put it in the deal jacket. Thanks to the Metrics, Statistics, and KPIs section, you now have robust reporting capabilities in your pocket at all times for your location. Or, if you can choose, all locations across all sites. The Sold Unprocessed VIN section flags how many cars came off the inventory without having the data deleted within multiple time frames. You want those numbers to always be 0. The VIN deletion status section shows you how many VINs have been processed, as well as their status within a time frame of your choice. Compliance managers and employees can keep a pulse on the deletion program both in total and on a daily basis, with our bar graph summarizing the data clearing activities by status and by day. And you can always email each of these reports to yourself by simply clicking the envelope next to them. Thank you for taking time to watch this short video, and I hope you will take the time to view the other videos we have for all of our new updates we've made to the Privacy for Cars app.